We are now on day 4, so the task today is to add images, videos, notes, and related materials. So the goal is to bring the existing teaching materials to the vault without creating chaos. So they say that we need to read the official attachment page. So let's do this. So we're gonna have this here. So they say that attachments, you can import accepted file formats or attachments to your vault, such as images, audio files, or PDFs. And attachments are regular files that you can access using your file system. Attachments can be embedded. So to add an attachment, you can add attachment to your vault in multiple ways. Only the accepted file formats can be added. So the accepted file formats are Markdown, Bases, JSON Canvas, images, audio, which if this, and video and PDF. We can change the default attachment location. We already did that on day 1. So that was an easy check mark. All right, so they say we need to add at least 3 images or diagrams and add at least 3 video notes and at least 2 PDF or handouts. So let's go here. So we can do copy paste or drag and drop, or okay, so we go here. Let's go on Obsidian. So we are gonna do 3 images. Should just finding some cool images in my computer, because I definitely don't have this images on my laptop. Okay, this is definitely not like an image from the course, but I just want to learn how to put the image. Ooh, yay, we know how to put an image. You're gonna be looking at this thing like, what images are those? I'm gonna change those when I'm actually done with this learning maps. I just want to have notes here, so we can do that here, and we can go to, let's say if we are here, accumulated change, we want to put some video notes. How plug videos? So they say here that I can copy and paste, or oh, you can download an attachment directly if you import from your browser. And embed it in notes. Okay, so we go here and we did 3 images. We know how to do images now. Okay, we have the images. We try to put some video notes. Like really, I just gonna put a random video here. I didn't look at this before, so I don't know what they were asking me to do, and I was not ready to put videos. So this is just like a dummy video that I have. Ooh. So when you put it there, then you have this. I think that's really cool. That is really cool. So we know how to put videos. We know how to put videos. Can we? I haven't made any video for the class yet, so I don't know what, so I don't have any things to do it, but we know. I mean, like, if we click check mark on this, are we cheating? Maybe. But we know how to put it now. So they say at least 2 PDFs. How are PDFs? Put if show up if we add this to this. So let's go here, and I will need to clean this up when I'm done, really. So here they say 2 PDF or handouts. So I have find some other not videos, but PDFs. So this is a PDF. This is a research paper that I have, not related to this class at all. Oh my god, when you do the PDF, you can read the PDF here. But that's cool, because now you can read this. Ooh. What else can we do with the PDFs? Can toggle set. Oh. And they say you can rename, move file, open the direct, open in new windows, open in default app, copy path, bookmark, move files to, rename. Oh, but this is really good. We can put hands out in this. Yeah. So we just did drag and drop. We didn't try copy and paste yet. I wonder if we can do that with PDFs. Okay, so I'm just gonna do this. Oh, I copied the, I just clicked on the file and click Control C and then Control V here, and we got it here. It's easy. It's easy. So they say link each media file to at least one concept note. Oh, I think what we were supposed to do is to download the attachment to your vault by importing from the browser. That's what we're supposed to do, not like the copy and paste yet. So come and go, but your data should last. Use Obsidian. Okay, so we can import from OneNote, Apple Notes, Google Notes, Craft, HTML file, import CSV. So, okay. I think we are supposed to use the attachment options, because then they say the linkage media file with at least one concept note. So, all right. So here we are, and we can go to this and see where are the attachments? Oh, media, images and attachments. So those are all the attachments that I just added. So here we have this. What is it? That's the image that I just added. I thought something was wrong. So this is the PDF that we just did. This is the they do, yeah, subscribe if you see this, just subscribe please. It helps YouTube show my videos to viewers that might need it or might want to do it. This is like thumbnail. Okay, so those are all the images and attachment. We can see them here. So now if we go to any of this, let's try to link to them. So on this now you can link to them and see it and read it. I think I like the drop and the job method, because then this was when we did like the drag and drop, the PDF showed up directly in the note. Okay, so and then they say we need to create a media index note. Create a media index node called media.index. So the media. I just speak like I said to you guys. New note index. Cool. So oh, you don't see this. I just created a new node called index on the media folder, and they say create an extra revision note called extra revision recommendations.md. So we go here and we go here and extra. Where's the extra? Do we have extra? No, we do not have extra. Let's just create the extra first. Extra revision recommendation. Extra. And we need to make a folder called revision. And in the extra revision, we need to create a note that is called recommendation. And oh, you can resize an image. Oh, when you put this, that's what makes them appear. Oh. Oh. Just. Okay, so if you remove this, they don't show up. If you do this, they show up. And the same for images. Day 3 PNG, and we can put it as 500. Ooh. 1,000. 10,000. I don't think that's possible. We can put it like really tiny small. Oh, we cannot even see it. We cannot even see it. Oh, yes. Yes. So they say here, when we do video notes, do not just paste a URL, create a note for the video. Oh, So we need to create a note, and we say like, okay, this is video, this is the link, this is best used for, and then connected concept. And then we need to use, oh, that's why they say that. Let's see if we have a template for video. Templates, video concept templates, video node templates. Oh, okay, so let's do revision, extra, new notes, video. And we need to, again, let's insert a template, a video node template. And just like for revision and concept covered, just write function. And okay, so we can put the link. So we are gonna check some link to a video, and since we are here, we're just gonna go to one of my videos. Yay. Now, so this is my video. Let's just take this video, this cool video right here, and share and copy, and we can go here. Now we have the link linked, but I wonder if I can also this. We can't. We can't do it. We can't do it. It needs to be an attachment that is that is a local, but we can only link to videos that we have. Okay, so the milestones for day 4 are so I know where the image and files are stored. We just saw that it was in the media folder. We can embed an image by just copying and pasting it, or including it, or linking it using that exclamation mark. And we can link to a video, just whether we can like drag and drop it, or if it's a YouTube video, we just use a link. We cannot view it. And I know they said like every media item is connected to a concept or a unit. This is not really that important for us right now because I use dummy media, and I have not created an organized media dump. It's I didn't do media dump. I just did like very few things that it's organized, but it just like doesn't mean anything because those are not the real media. I'm gonna change that when I'm actually gonna reviewing everything. I'm gonna make it nice, and I'm gonna show you guys how it ended up being. So that is for day 4.